Okay, this is the unboxing of the Auxito LED headlights. These are the 9006 or HB4, and it could be a fog light, headlight, whatsoever, but it's mainly low beam headlights. So this is the unboxing. Comes with all your instructions, and this is a 2-pack, and I was able to get them around $28. Let's take a look at this. These designs are made without that cord and extra little box that a lot of ones that used to have. Now this is a fan that's cordless. Found out about these through a friend who said they last about 4 years for him. And plug and play. Um, they say it doesn't fit the 2000 to 2010 chargers, 2006 to 2010, but I have aftermarket headlights and I have clearance to fit it. So really, it calls for 9006 XS or 9005 XS to fit in standard configuration, but the only difference in the two is not how it locks. You see the 3 tabs, the 2 bigger ones and the one at the top. It should fit in. The only difference is this has that 90-degree angle, and the XS versions that it calls for are straight. I'll probably get that view on the difference between those when I install these, but this is just the unboxing. So now that you don't have to have those extra cords and all of that, you're getting better quality items, brighter. These are, like I say, 6500 rating. So we'll see. And, good design. We'll see about it. Switching over to LEDs and whatsoever. And give it a try. If they don't work, hey, $28. We'll see. And they always still make standard Sylvanias. All right, well, this is just the unboxing of Auxito LED light. They've proven for a friend of mine, so we're going to give them a try. All right.